Is your spare change collecting dust, or is it working for you? What if I told you that those forgotten cents and a smart strategy could actually grow your wealth, all from your phone? That's right, we're talking about micro-investing, and today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular platforms making it incredibly easy, Raiz. You might be thinking, invest with a few dollars? Is that even worth it? And honestly, it's a valid question. For years, investing felt like an exclusive club, reserved for those with large sums of money and complex financial degrees. But Raiz, formerly known as Acorns in some regions, has completely flipped that script. It's designed for the everyday person, allowing you to invest small amounts regularly, often by rounding up your everyday purchases. This seemingly tiny act, when compounded over time, can lead to substantial growth. It's the power of consistency, made effortless. So, how exactly does this magic happen, and more importantly, how can you start making money on Raiz? It boils down to a few key strategies. First up, roundups. This is the bread and butter of Raiz. Imagine buying a coffee for $3.50. Raiz will automatically round that up to $4 and invest the extra 50 cents. It's so seamless, you barely notice it. But these small amounts quickly add up. Think about how many transactions you make in a day or a week. Each one becomes a tiny investment opportunity. This consistent, almost invisible, investment habit is incredibly powerful for long-term growth. Next, we have recurring investments. While roundups are fantastic for passive saving, you can supercharge your investments by setting up regular deposits. Whether it's $5 a day, $20 a week, or $100 a month, consistently adding to your Raiz account ensures a steady flow of capital into your chosen portfolio. This is where you really start to see the magic of dollar cost averaging, where you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, smoothing out market fluctuations over time. Then there's the Raiz Rewards program. This is essentially cashback on steroids. When you shop with participating brands through the Raiz app, a percentage of your purchase is invested directly into your Raiz account. It's like getting paid to shop, and that payment goes straight into growing your wealth. From groceries to online fashion, these rewards can genuinely boost your investment portfolio without you having to dip into your regular budget. Now, let's talk about diversification through portfolios. Raiz offers a range of diversified portfolios, from conservative to aggressive, designed to match your risk tolerance and financial goals. These portfolios are made up of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that hold a mix of stocks and bonds across various industries and countries. This built-in diversification is crucial for mitigating risk and is something that traditionally required significant financial knowledge to achieve. Raiz makes it accessible to everyone. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, is the power of compounding. This is often called the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It's the process where the money you earn on your investments then starts earning money itself. So, the earnings from your initial roundups and recurring investments start generating their own returns, creating an exponential growth effect over time. The earlier you start, the more significant the impact of compounding will be. Raiz isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool for disciplined, long-term wealth building. It empowers you to take control of your financial future, one small investment at a time. It's about turning passive spending into active investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.